All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. When I got the Z Fold 3 the first time, I tested out a lot of cases with it, and I really couldn't find one that I really could say that I liked the best. But the VRS cases and the Rinky cases seem to be the most that I'm probably going to do on this. I've been using this now. I don't know how long I've been using these cases, a week, I don't know. But it's easy to narrow down on a case if you're going to like it, because I've been keeping them on all day, and I normally don't wear cases all day. I normally have my phone naked like this in the house, or just when I'm around. I don't want to put a case on it. I want to feel just the device itself. Now, as far as the phone goes, like stated, I've removed the skin on the back, and I'll probably buy a different color. But I have a matte screen protector on the back part of my hinge, and then I had a matte screen on the front, but when I took off one of the case fronts, it lifted because it wasn't centered. So I went back to my Easy Dome White Stone, and what I did was I put on this Rinky cover first, and then I seated it around and dropped it right in, and so it's centered. Because before, when I would use the front of the VRS cases, it would lift my screen protector, and I just stopped using it on the front. So to offset that, I centered it I reapplied the Easy Dome screen protector from Whitestone Dome and with the Rinky front. Now, when it comes to buying that best case for the Z Fold 3, I don't think there is one. Just like the previous year, I really couldn't find anything that was going to beat out VRS or Rinky, in my opinion. I don't like a very bulky case. And shout out to Grant. He uses the thin AMOLED case. I was going to buy that case, and I can still get it on sale right now. But I was thinking, this Rinky thin case is probably about the same as it's going to be with that. So I said, I'll rock with the frosted Rinky case. But in the interim, I do like a case like VRS for protection. So I dug through my stash here, and I actually do have the creamy white with a kickstand. So in this video, I'm going to go ahead and apply that. And try it on, because this creamy white with a kickstand is just probably going to be one that I use frequently. So let's get it open there. This creamy white is just a great color. And so this was brand new. It's been sitting brand new in my stash for so long. Oh boy, that's just nice with the kickstand. Oh, it even looks a little bit different too. As far as the colors go, looks like. As far as it looks like, wow, yeah, that does look a little bit different, doesn't it? Yeah, that looks like a different shade. Okay, over video, as I look through the viewfinder of the camera, it does look the same, but this is a different tone from this the regular VRS without the kickstand. And the reason I consider switching to this one, because it has obviously more texture on it, and then obviously it has a kickstand. So yeah, this is really, really nice here. I'm pretty excited about this, and I have so many things stashed away. I thought, man, I was gonna buy this case, and I said, you know what, go back through your storage and look. So there it is. Man, this is really needed for the Z Fold 3. Having a kickstand on this phone is just a huge plus. It's a huge plus, because this is a big phone when open. And then again, remember, I centered my screen protector this time on the Rinky front. So as you can see here with the VRS, still it starts to lift a little bit around there. Okay, there we go. I got it centered in there. Okay, there we go. So yeah, I did a good job centering it with the frame of this one, because there should be the same, but the Rinky case has more bulk on it, so it tends to lift. But if you want to use a tempered glass, and you want to use the Easy Dome glass, I'll leave a link to it down below, along with these cases and everything. Yeah, I gotta tell you, it will work. It will work. Yes. So this, to me, is like the ultimate combination for the Z Fold 3. I love how this case looks. I love the color. I love everything about it. But there's still no perfect case for me for the Z Fold 3. It's just not out there. And this is probably the closest to perfection when I want a bulky case. Is going to be this case from VRS. This is just fantastic, folks. Let me pop it open here. Now, the kickstand isn't It's plastic, so it's not going to be like this super strong. You could break this with your hand, but if you're just using it like this, there's no reason it should break. There's absolutely no reason why you should have a problem with this. It works great for watching content, watching movies. Everything is going to be fine with this. So I just really think that when it comes to cases, it's a tough one. It is a tough one, and I think we're going to run into a situation where phones like this, we have to make those adjustments. Even with my tempered glass on there, I was running into issues with it lifting with the VRS, and as you saw here on camera, I just needed to seat it a little bit better. So that's a tip for you. If you want to use a front glass screen protector like the Easy Dome, again, these are in the description. You put your frame on of the VRS or whatever case you're using and drop it right in, because that is how this glass is cut. So if you're thinking about whether if it's in frame or not, it is definitely in frame. Now the thing about the VRS case versus the Rinky front is that the Rinky front is thinner and closer to the glass, so your swiping gestures are going to feel a little bit different. They're going to feel easier on the Rinky case. So with the VRS case, you can see how thick it is compared to the Rinky case. This is a slim case from Rinky. So the VRS case obviously is 2 times almost the thickness of this Rinky case. And so that's why you're going to get it's going to feel better when it comes to using your swiping gestures with this on the side here. And there's that lift a little bit right there. So I have to make sure I keep it pushed all the way over because I can see it where it's at right there. But this works. I'm just really, critical about that because I hate a lifting screen protector. So yeah, it's going to be in frame and everything is going to be good. No problems whatsoever. It should be okay. So I don't anticipate having any issues with this right here. And I think this is going to be really nice. Leaving it like this when I want some real drop protection, I think this will be pretty good. So I don't know. The case game is getting really tight, but to me, there is just not a perfect case out there yet. But to me, the Rinky case and this VRS case comes the closest. Any of these right here is, these are the ones I would recommend if you want a kickstand. VRS makes the same case with more grip and texture on the back, with a kickstand. Yep. And if you don't want it, you don't have to use it with a kickstand. You can put this version on. So now these cases, yeah, just great, man. I really like this. But again, when I don't want any bulk, I have to revert back to Rinky. Now, again, I was on the fence about the Armored case. Grant recommends that one, and I'm just kind of like, yeah, I really want to grab that one because I can get it for about the same price as this VRS case, but there's no kickstand. And then the Rinky case costs a lot less, and it's thin just like the Armored case. So I think this is where I'll sit at for a while. I genuinely really love this VRS case, man. It is just it. There's just nothing to dislike about this case, because even the OtterBox case, I didn't even buy it because it costs more than these, and then it's just a thin, hard plastic case. That's the strange part. I would think OtterBox would do something really nice with this, with the VRS cases, but they just gave basically a thin plastic hard case, and I don't think that's worth it for $80 or whatever it costs. There's no way. When you can grab a thin case like this, or you can grab both of these for the price of the OtterBox. So you'll have to decide, because I've been actually watching a lot of people's videos on cases, and you'll have to be the determining factor of what you think is a good case for you. But I don't really see too many options for the Z Fold 3 for me. That is, for me, I don't see too many that are to my liking. Now, some people have an S Pen, and I use this little stylus right here because it works. Just, I don't have the S Pen functionality, but this is a universal stylus. And so if I just want to use a stylus, I have one right here, and it's going to work just fine. I've been using this with this device. This is just a little cheap little dollar, 50 cents, whatever they cost. Actually had it free with a little clear case from a long time ago. So I grabbed it and started using it because I knew that it would work. And the better thing about this one, I may not have access to all the S Pen functions, but there's no way I'll poke a hole in my screen with this little round little plastic bubble on here. And I've done drawing with it, writing with it, and it's absolutely great. So And right now, you can't even store the S Pen in inside the Z Fold 3. Now, there's a lot of people doing case reviews where they're showing the big cover on the hinge. Those are hideous to me. I think that really takes away everything from the device. This hinge, I just put a clear matte cover on there, and that's good enough for me. Now, some people would want to cover this hinge. I personally like the hinge like this, exposed or whatever. It doesn't really bother me because, honestly, folks, I use this phone open so much, you can't even tell that it's, I don't even, it's just there. And I have a clear matte thing on there too. So you have to choose what case you think is good. There are cases out there that are very expensive, folks, like $80 that do cover this hinge, but they're just another version of this bulky case right here from VRS. And it just has a cover on the back. So again, I like this setup right here. These are currently, this is where I'm going to stay right now, I would say, for now. If something really great comes out, then I'll get it. But other than that, this is the best thin case, and especially for price or value to consumers, this is it. And then I think these VRS cases have done the best job to me when providing something for protection and then offering a kickstand option. I just think this is it. So give me your thoughts on cases that you use and how you really honestly feel about if you like the case you bought or not. Or if you have, I know a lot of people have these VRS cases because I've seen them online and they are fantastic cases. So, you tell me what you think about these cases. And if you have one, let me know how you feel about it. See you in the next one.